Did Michael Burry really guess how valuable water would be in the future? He did an interview in 2010.
I believe that agricultural land, productive agricultural land with water on site will be very valuable in the future. And I've put a good amount of money into that. So I'm investing in alternative investments as well as stocks.
Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today. And today we're going to be talking about some investment news. The stock market, Wall Street, is allowing people to trade water futures. So hedge funds, municipalities, farmers are allowed to trade water futures like gold and oil in the market. The country's first water market launched in the Chicago Exchange this week with $1.1 billion in contracts tied to water prices in California. Futures are basically financial contracts that obligate parties to transact an asset at a predetermined future date and price. Here, the buyer must purchase or the seller must sell the underlying asset at a set price, regardless of the current market price.
A futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell a specific amount of a commodity or financial instrument at a specific price on a specific date in the future. To help you understand why businesses and individuals trade futures, let's examine how futures contracts can be used, the key components that make up a contract, and how much it costs to trade a futures contract. One use of a futures contract is to allow a business or individual to navigate risk and uncertainty. Prices are always changing, but with a futures contract, people can lock in a fixed price to buy or sell at a future date. Locking in a price lessens the risk of being negatively impacted by price change.
I actually never knew how scarce water is becoming. The United Nations actually said that a lot of this stuff is driven by us, especially due to like climate change, drought, and actually population growth. So this is all coming back to hit us. And Michael Burry actually made this bet that in the future, we're going to be looking at water as an investment. In California, the most recent acute dry spell stretched from December 2011 until March of last year. According to the US Drought Monitor, the most dire effects took hold in July 2014, with 58% of the state's land suffering exponential drought, leading to crop, pasture losses, and other water emergencies. So how do you guys feel about this? They're trading water like it's a commodity. It's actually our human need, right? So if they're allowed to trade water because it's becoming very scarce and they're afraid, can affect price volatility of water, and how's that going to affect water prices in the future? So how you can see how this is becoming maybe a problem in the future, or maybe if you look into it, we can find actually companies that are actually helping this problem. So this could be a huge investment opportunity in the future.
And so you need to find special situations. It's how I've invested from the beginning. I'm looking for these special situations, these unique ideas.
Michael Burry always looked for these unique situations to find money. Think about the stock market housing crash. What else do you think he's going to do with this? So as investors, should we be looking at investment opportunities that are actually going to help this problem and invest in companies that are actually looking into the future to kind of tackle this problem? Or can you see this commodity marketing affect how we look at prices of water, and it's going to affect the volatility and make it more dangerous in the market? What do you guys think? If you like this video, can you please like it? Can you please subscribe to my channel? And I'll get back to you in the next video.